In this tutorial, I will show you how to get your site's file access credentials and generate public and private key pairs. This is important for allowing developers to modify the files and folders that make up your WordPress site. The Rapyd dashboard includes features such as user authentication, role-based access control, and activity logs, ensuring only authorized users can access the server and perform tasks. From your Rapyd dashboard, select the site you want to manage, then navigate to Tools, then File Access. The first tab here is for your SFTP and SSH credentials, which allow you to securely connect to your website's file system. This provides an additional layer of security over standard FTP. Here, you can get your site address, port number, username, and path. Below that is the option to create or import key pairs. You will need to generate a key pair to grant access to SFTP and SSH. Keep in mind that all keys added are global to your hosting plan, meaning that if you add a key, it can be used to access all of your sites. And if you delete a key, it will be removed from all of your sites. Now let's try to create a key pair. Click Create Key Pair, and a pop-up window will appear. Enter a name for this key pair. You can enter any name you want here. Please note that our system will automatically generate a public and private key pair. The private key, PEM file, will be downloaded to your computer and can only be downloaded one time, so make sure to store it in a safe place. You will need it later to connect to your site. Let's click Create. After creating the key pair, it will show under Public Keys. The key pair consists of two password files, one stored on the server and one you need to download to your computer. This makes it more secure, as it's tied to your device. In case you already have a key pair generated from your SSH tool, you can just click Import Key Pair. Enter a name for your key pair, then upload the public key file from your computer before clicking Import. It's that easy. Next is the FTP tab. This is another way to connect to your website's file system, but it is less secure compared to SFTP and SSH. Here, you can get your FTP address, port number, username, password, and path. Please note that your FTP credentials are preset by default. You can reset the password by clicking the Reset Password button and enter your new password, then click Save. And there you have it. Managing and accessing your website's file system credentials is now easier than ever with the Rapyd dashboard. By choosing the appropriate remote access method and implementing security measures, you can better protect your files and prevent unauthorized access.